Yo, stop scrolling right now. What if I told you there's a way to start an online business with no products, no warehouse, and no shipping?
Sounds fake? It's not. It's called dropshipping. Here's how it actually works. You create an online store. You list products that are already made by suppliers. When someone buys from your store, you don't ship anything. The supplier ships it for you, and you keep the profit. That's it. Let's say you sell a product for 40 bucks. The supplier charges you 20. You pocket the difference. No inventory, no boxes in your room, no risk of unsold products. That's why dropshipping blew up. Low startup cost, work from anywhere, and you can launch in days, not months. But listen, this is important. Dropshipping is not magic money. If you don't market right, you won't make a dollar. The people who fail, they chase trends. The people who win, they build brands. If you want to learn how to do this the right way, like the video, subscribe, and comment START below. Let's build something real.